Before I begin this video, I really wanted to give a shout out to Fan of Thomas 31 because he makes some awesome MMD videos, nutshells, remakes, and so much more. So, if you really wanted to see him, I'll put the link in the description. And also, Fan of Thomas 31, if it is your birthday, happy birthday! Hello everyone, this is Draven Edwards Productions, and today I'm back again with another custom model showcase. So I guess you already know who it is. She was a character from Big World Big Adventures because she never spoke or never mentioned. So I'll just show it to you right now. So today it's going to be on my updated custom Chinese tender engine. So yeah, I just painted this custom all up out of orange apple barrel paint, and even I really did the orange body, the foot plate, the lamp irons, the smokestack, and even the railing, and even the coal load and the top. So yeah, looks like I've been doing. Looks like this has been taken like a couple of days, and I really have yellow paint for the whistle itself. So yeah, let's take a look at it. So let's look at the front here. So as you could see, there's her face. I just Sharpie markered Edward's face and make it look like that the Chinese tender engine has eyelashes, just like it is in the movie. So yeah, and I really painted the buffer beam red. I painted the buffer beam red to make it look better, to make it look good. Just went all the way to here. I think it's just so amazing how how this turned this out. Very amazing. And I painted the both of the fake wheels red, which is good. So, still works well. And then on the side here, I just grabbed some gray apple barrel paint and just painted on the railings, and it looks pretty good. And I did it on both sides. Pretty good how I really turned this out. And I really used Sharpie marker for the black stripes. I used Sharpie marker for the black stripes, and I really used Sharpie marker for the size of the size of it, and even on this shape, and even on this shape. And I really have to do the windows. So yeah, I think I'm doing a little bit good on this custom. And then I did on the other side. Looks pretty good. You can see it shining on the light once I really turn that. Pretty amazing how I really turned this out. And then the back is just nothing but plank, as usual. And I still kept the glow-in-the-dark windows because this Chinese tender engine was made from a glow-in-the-dark Edward. So, and I really painted the whistle yellow, so I can't leave that detail orange like that, or otherwise I'm gonna leave it looking like that. So, pretty good that I really improved it. And I really had to paint the buffer. I really had to paint the buffers and even the coupling itself, or Sharpie marker, I don't know. And I really had to paint the lamp irons. They are good. I'm just so happy that I really got this done because it took like a couple of days to finish this. I mean really, couple of days. So yeah, that was the front of the Chinese tender engine. So let's look at the tender. So the tender itself. So I just really had to paint the front. Yeah. And then I really painted the sides, and I used Sharpie marker for the shapes and sizes how it is. Use the marker for the shapes and the size of the tender to make the shape look exactly the same. And I really used the red for underneath here to make it go all the way around to the buffer beam. And also you might notice that I really use Sharpie marker to make the rectangle at the back. Then I painted the buffers. And then here's the other side. I think I really kind of messed up there, but that's okay. I can really keep that way. I think I did almost a little bit better on this side, but not that other side. But that's okay, no matter how good or bad it is. And also, here are the red wheels. And you're probably saying, what happened to your custom red wheels? Well, the glow-in-the-dark wheels are not going to be used anymore. So I just found a spare wheels I find some of the spare wheels from Trackmaster Revolution Hero, the Master of the Railway. So yeah, I don't even use the Revolution Hero anymore of Trackmaster. So someday I would like to get a Playroad Hero, so that way I will be having him on my railway. So yeah. And then the coal load, I painted it all black, so looks pretty good how this turned out. Very amazing how it turned out. So probably I might going to give a rating on this custom. So my rating on this custom would be a 9. Probably I will give it a rating about a 9.8 out of 10. So it is pretty good how this turned out. Pretty good how it turned out. So I was just going to be running her around the layout, but since I've been doing some scenes of Thomas and the Magic Row, which is an upcoming movie remake, which I'm going to be doing, I decided to make this, and I used the crossing from the push-along Thomas's mail delivery. So yeah, so you might have to get used to this while the Chinese tender engine is running. So we're going to be doing that in 3, 2, 1, go. And that was a little bit of a run of this updated Chinese tender engine. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and make sure if you comment, and subscribe. If this video gets affected by COPPA, that is. And yeah, so tell me what you're so this Chinese tender engine looks pretty good how it's been updated. So I hope you enjoyed this video. So please like and subscribe if you need to. If this video gets affected by copy, you won't be able to comment one of my videos. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, which will be a review on probably the Hot Wheels Thomas, or simply known as the Hot Wheels Loco Thomas, which I'll be ordering soon. And stay tuned for my upcoming remake of Thomas and the Magic Railroad, coming soon in December 2020.